Not all progress is created equal. Some of it spreads outward, multiplying what already exists, but the kind that changes history, that's the progress that climbs upward. It's the difference between copying and creating, between expansion and invention. Tonight we explore the two types of progress, horizontal and vertical, and how artificial intelligence is reshaping both. This is not just a story about technology, it's a story about the very engine of civilization. Horizontal progress. Horizontal progress is replication. It's taking something that works in one place and duplicating it everywhere else. Think of railroads stretching across continents, smartphones in every pocket, or factories producing identical goods at scale. It's globalization, distribution, and efficiency. Horizontal progress doesn't reinvent the wheel, it makes sure everyone has one. Imagine the printing press. Once invented, its power came not just from the first machine, but from thousands of presses spreading across Europe. Knowledge multiplied, ideas traveled, that's horizontal progress. Or consider electricity. The breakthrough was vertical, the discovery of harnessing current. But the wiring of cities, the lighting of homes, the replication across nations, that was horizontal. Horizontal progress is the great equalizer. It ensures that innovation doesn't stay locked in one place. It spreads prosperity, connects markets, and scales solutions, but it rarely surprises us. It's predictable, incremental, and steady. Vertical progress. Vertical progress is innovation. It's the leap from typewriters to computers, from landlines to smartphones, from horse-drawn carriages to rockets. Vertical progress is about breakthroughs, new ideas that redefine what's possible. Think of the Wright brothers. Before them, humanity could only dream of flight. Their fragile machine at Kitty Hawk was not a replication, it was a revolution. Or think of penicillin, a single discovery that transformed medicine, saving millions of lives. Vertical progress is riskier. It requires imagination, courage, and often defies convention. It doesn't just spread what we already know, it climbs into the unknown and builds something the world has never seen before. And while horizontal progress makes the world more uniform, vertical progress makes it more extraordinary. Horizontal versus vertical AI. In artificial intelligence, the same distinction applies. Horizontal AI dazzles with versatility. It can write essays, generate images, and answer questions across countless domains. It spreads intelligence wide like a blanket covering the world. Vertical AI, on the other hand, wins with precision. It's specialized, laser-focused, and built to solve one problem better than any human ever could. Horizontal AI is breadth, vertical AI is depth. Picture a generalist AI that can draft a poem, summarize a book, or design a logo. That's horizontal. Now picture an AI trained exclusively to detect cancer cells in medical scans with accuracy beyond any doctor. That's vertical. Both are powerful, but their impact is different. Horizontal AI democratizes intelligence. Vertical AI redefines industries. Case studies. In healthcare, vertical AI is diagnosing diseases faster than doctors, analyzing X-rays with microscopic accuracy. In agriculture, it's predicting crop yields and optimizing irrigation, feeding millions more with fewer resources. In law, it's reviewing contracts in seconds, spotting risks that human eyes might miss. In finance, it's detecting fraud patterns invisible to traditional systems. In transportation, it's guiding autonomous vehicles safely through complex environments. These are not generalist tools, they are vertical breakthroughs, AI climbing upward, reshaping industries one by one. Each case study is a glimpse into a future where specialization drives transformation. Future implications. The future of progress will not be a choice between horizontal and vertical, it will be a dance between the two. Horizontal AI will spread access, democratizing intelligence across the globe. Vertical AI will push boundaries, solving problems once thought impossible. Together, they will define the next era of human achievement. But make no mistake, the breakthroughs that change civilization will come from vertical leaps. The printing press spread knowledge. The internet connected billions. But the moon landing, the decoding of DNA, the creation of artificial intelligence itself, these were vertical ascents. Conclusion. If horizontal progress connects the world, vertical progress transforms it. And in artificial intelligence, vertical is where the frontier lies. The question is not whether AI will spread, it already has. The question is, how high can it climb? Civilization advances when we replicate what works, but it leaps forward when we dare to invent. Horizontal progress builds the stage, vertical progress writes the play, and the next act is already being written by AI.